A very good morning to all my students. Hope you are all keeping well and studying seriously. Students, last week you learned passive of yes no question. But as you all know that question sentence is of two types. So you have learned passive of yes no question. So what is left? Passive of WH question. So today you will learn how to change the active form of a WH question to its passive form. And this time also you have to follow 3 steps as you did earlier. Okay, so before I explain with the help of examples, one thing again I want to ask you, that is, tell me what is WH question. Let us revise. WH question means a question that starts with what? WH words like what, when, where, who, why, etc. How. Okay, so just see, here I have taken a sentence, sentence number 1. It is in active form. Where have you planted the saplings? So by seeing the sentence only you will understand that it is in active form. I will not tell you how to identify active now because you know it very well. But it is in interrogative form also. All of you see it is in interrogative form also because question mark is there. And WH word is also there. But how to change this? Here also you have to follow 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. In the first step, you have to change this interrogative sentence to assertive. Okay. So when you are changing this to assertive, what about the WH word? Listen children, remember one thing, when you are going through these 3 steps, the WH word, it will remain in its own place. It will not change its position. In the first step also, where is in its own place. In the second step also, where is in its own place, and in the third or final step also it has not changed its position. So where will remain in its own place. So see the first step, where. Now as you are changing this to assertive, so you will start with the subject you. So where you have planted the saplings, not have you planted, you will write you have planted the saplings. So first step is done. Now in the second step you are changing this to passive. When you are changing this to passive, after the WH word where, as I have told that it will not change its position, so where is in its own place. And after that, as it is passive, so have planted what? The saplings. So saplings will come here in place of subject. So where the saplings have been planted by you. Why have been, you know, because it is passive, so after has a been is required. So the passive form is done, but we have to finally make it interrogative passive. So interrogative passive means what you will have to do? After where you have to bring the auxiliary verb have, then the saplings been planted together. So the saplings is in the middle, been planted here and have here. Okay, so this way the final answer will be where have the saplings been planted by you, and finally you will put the question mark. So as you have done yes no passive of yes no question, so this will not be very difficult for you to understand. If you see the video you will be able to understand. Come to the next step. Next example. Example number 2, active form. When will he announce the date? When will he announce the date? So see here, will he, and when is the WH word. So after when, all of you note that after when WH word, will he announce. So he is the subject, before the subject will, and after the subject announce. Okay, so when will he announce the date? It is the active form but interrogative form also. So let us bring it to its assertive form. Transform this to its assertive form. So assertive means what will be the answer? I have told you that when is the WH word which will not change its position. So when is kept here. After that, first the subject he. Okay. Then we'll announce together. When he will announce the date. In the first sentence, when will he announce the date? In the second sentence, when he will announce the date. And in the second step, you have to change this to passive. So passive means first when, and after that the object, the date, it will come in place of subject. So when the date will be announced by him. And the final answer is interrogative passive. You will bring this will come in the beginning. So when will the date be announced by him? When will the date be announced together? And will has come before the object, the date. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Now see the steps again and again, and in the next video I'm going to explain some more examples. See and try to understand. Thank you.